Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to GC Wealth Solution. Today, we're delving into a critical investment debate that could shape the future of your financial portfolio, the clash between index funds and managed funds. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this enlightening journey as we uncover the nuances of these investment giants and guide you towards making informed choices for your financial success. 1. The battle unveiled. Picture this scenario. You're standing at the intersection of financial growth, faced with two compelling paths: index funds and managed funds. What sets them apart? And crucially, which one holds the key to unlocking your investment dreams? Join us as we unravel the intricacies of this investment battle. Section 1. Understanding the Titans. Index funds, the unsung heroes. Our journey begins with index funds, the silent architects of financial stability. These funds act as the backbone of the market. The beauty lies in their ability to provide investors with a broad representation of the market, offering both stability and diversification within a single investment vehicle. 2. The power of simplicity. What makes index funds truly stand out is their power of simplicity. These financial instruments boast low fees and minimal management, making them a go-to choice for passive investors. Imagine setting your investment strategy and watching your wealth grow without the constant stress of market monitoring. It's the epitome of set it and forget it investing. Section 2. The managed fund advantage. Managed funds, the tactical players. Now, shift your focus to the tactical players in the investment arena. Managed funds. In stark contrast to their index counterparts, these funds are actively managed by financial experts. Their primary goal? To outperform the market. Intriguing, isn't it? 3. Active management unveiled. The magic behind managed funds lies in active management. Picture skilled fund managers using their expertise to handpick investments, aiming to beat the market and deliver superior returns. But, as the age-old saying goes, with great reward comes great risk. Are you ready to strap in for the investment roller coaster? Section 3. Head-to-head showdown. The showdown, breaking it down. Now, let's throw these contenders into the ring for a head-to-head showdown. Which strategy aligns with your investment goals? Are you the hands-off investor, letting the market do the heavy lifting, or do you crave the thrill of active management? 4. Risk and reward. Risk and reward, finding your comfort zone. Here's where the rubber meets the road: risk and reward. Index funds offer a smoother ride with lower risk, while managed funds bring the potential for higher returns, but with a bumpier journey. It's all about finding your comfort zone on the risk spectrum. Section 4. The hybrid approach. Hybrid approach. Why not both? But wait, what if you don't want to choose sides? Enter the hybrid approach, where investors combine both index and managed funds for a balanced strategy. It's like having your cake and eating it too. We'll delve into the art of portfolio diversification and the sweet spot between passive and active investing. 5. Your call to action. Your call to action. Building your wealth blueprint. As we wrap up this investment saga, it's time for your call to action. Reflect on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Are you team index, team managed, or perhaps a strategic blend of both? Section 5. Mastering the art of diversification. Mastering the art of diversification. Let's take a deeper dive into the concept of diversification, a crucial element in crafting a resilient investment portfolio. We'll explore how combining different asset classes, geographical regions, and investment strategies can enhance your portfolio's stability and potential for growth. 6. Navigating market volatility. Navigating market volatility, a strategic guide. In a world of financial uncertainties, understanding how to navigate market volatility is paramount. Discover strategies to weather market storms and capitalize on opportunities that arise during turbulent times. Section 6. Demystifying common investment jargon. Demystifying common investment jargon. Ever felt overwhelmed by the barrage of investment jargon thrown around? Fear not, as we demystify terms like P/E ratios, alpha, beta, and more. A clear understanding of these concepts will empower you to make more informed investment decisions. 7. The future of investing. The future of investing, technological innovations and trends. As we peer into the future, technological innovations are reshaping the investment landscape. Explore emerging trends like robo-advisors, blockchain technology, and sustainable investing that are shaping the future of wealth accumulation. 7. Q&A session. Q&A session, your burning questions answered. Before we conclude, let's address some of the burning questions from our audience. We've received insightful queries about tax implications, the impact of economic indicators on investment decisions, and more. Stick around as we provide clarity on these crucial topics. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of the index funds vs. managed funds debate, coupled with essential insights into diversification, market volatility, and the future of investing. Your financial journey is unique, and armed with this knowledge, you're better equipped to navigate the ever-evolving landscape. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all things GC Wealth Solution. Until next time, happy investing.